Hello kids. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Let's start. Kids, we are tracing letter A. This is letter B. Kids, this is letter C. Now we are tracing letter D. Kids, this is letter A. This is letter B. This is letter C. Now we are tracing letter D. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Kids, this is letter A. Now we are tracing letter B. This is letter C. Now we are tracing letter D. Kids, we will trace letter E. This is letter F. Now we are tracing letter G. This is letter H. Now kids, we are tracing letter E. This is letter F. Letter G, H, E, F, G, H. Kids, this is letter E. And this is letter F. This is letter G. Now this is letter H. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.